Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add users to your WordPress blog. Many times, it is a fact that you are not the only one person who is contributing to a blog, or some plugins need that you provide some other user information if you are posting their user details and they are posting their own articles, and the plugin showcases the information about them, so you need to add the user. So how you're going to add user is very simple. This is my local host WordPress blog. You can go to your install blog on your host and then go to your directory in which it is installed and then type wp and dash admin. This will take you to the admin screen. Just log in to the admin screen after you have provided your username and the password. Please make sure that the username is an administrator user so that you can change users and you can add or delete them. So if I press login, I'm taken to the dashboard of the WordPress. So here, if I just want to add a new user, all I need to do is go to the users menu item and from there go to add new. So once I have this, you can see that I have a screen that has a lot of information. All I need to do is add some kind of user information to that. For example, a username, uh, for example John Brown, and email is, and add the email information, then the first name, second name, website, repeat, and then the passwords that you're going to set to him. And also you can send this information to the new user by email. So if you just check this box, this whole information with the password and everything can be sent to the user's email ID that you have mentioned here. There's something important called as roles. So WordPress provides 5 kind of roles: the subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. So each of these roles have certain specific functions, and you can read about each of these roles in the WordPress codex. So here is the place where roles and capabilities are described in detail. So here's the summary of roles, the values that we have seen here, and you can check out what is the function that each of the role does. So for example, a subscriber is one who can manage profile. A contributor is somebody who can write and manage their own post but cannot publish them. The author is somebody who can publish and manage their own posts. The editor is somebody who can publish and manage posts, including the posts of other users. That kind of information, depending on the kind of authority that you want to give the person that you are creating the login for, you can always give that kind of authority. So once you add this information, let's give some password, and the good thing is that it also tells you the strength of the password, whether it's very weak or strong. Normally I use a lot of uppercase characters, and so I use at the rate, I use numerals and a lot of mixtures to create a strong password. And once I have created it, I can click on the add new user. It's right now creating a new user for me. So as you can see, the John Brown user ID has been created. There's no picture because there's no gravatar associated with it. So if you're creating a new user ID, it's a good idea to ask the email which has a gravatar associated with it, so that you can view the image, and it is used by a lot of plugins to show on the front end the picture of the user in various sizes. So it's a good idea to get a email like the one that I have, which has my avatar here. So that kind of thing. Once you have this, you can always go and edit this or delete this. So this information is sent to the user of the user that you have created, the email ID of the user that you have created, and they can always go and log in to the same screen using the WP admin. It will take you to the same screen as this one, and then they can type their user ID just like the one that I have done here, put in their password, log in, and once they log in they can change their password and set up the other details if needed. So that's how you add a user in your WordPress admin panel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks.